Number 7. Shelim starts his new job on a salary of £14,000. He will receive a raise of £1,500 a year for each full year that he works, so that he will have a salary of £15,500 in year 2, a salary of £17,000 in year 3, and so on. When Shelim's salary reaches £26,000, he will receive no more raises. His salary will remain at £26,000. Show that, part A, show that Shelim will have a salary of £26,000 in year 9. So the first way of thinking, or the first thing that you have to do, is to define the given. So I've underlined the keywords, and now I have to name them. So year 1, which is the start of his salary, is 14,000. Then we go to year 2, then we define £17,000 by year 3, and then we go to 26,000, which we don't know which year he is going to reach the salary. Now they didn't mention if this is an arithmetic sequence or some other sequence. So this is why we need to prove, or we need to find which sequence is this, so that we can use the right formulas. So if we subtract two consecutive terms of the sequence, we get 15,500 minus 14,000 equals to £1,500. Again, 17,000 minus 15,500, we get 1,500. So when you are subtracting two consecutive terms and you get the same value, we say that this is the constant difference, and therefore our sequence here is an arithmetic sequence. Now, in order for us to find how many years, or to prove that he gets the salary 26,000 in year 9, we need to use the formula, which is y9 is equal to y1 plus 9 minus 1 times d. And here you get this formula, un is equal to a, which is the first term, plus n minus 1 times d from your formula booklet. Replacing each value, you get y9 equals £26,000. So you have proved that when he reaches year 9, he will get paid £26,000. Part B, find the total amount. When we say total amount, we have to pay attention to that. Find the total amount of Shelim will earn. Find the total amount that Shelim will earn in his job in the first 9 years. So total means sum, and since this is an arithmetic sequence, you use the sum, the formula for the sum, and you can get it from your formula booklet. And here we used the formula which says Sn equals number of terms over 2, or number of years over 2, first term plus last term. And here n represents 9, therefore S9 is equal to 9 over 2, 14,000 plus 26,000, and we get the summation, or the sum, of the 9 years is equal to 180,000 pounds. We continue. Anna starts her new job at the same time as Shalem on a salary of £8. She receives a raise of £1,000 a year for each full year that she works, so that she has a salary of A plus £1,000 in year 2 and A plus £2,000 in year 3, and so on. The maximum salary for her job, which is reached in year 10, is also £26,000. The question is, find the difference in the total. So find the difference in the total amount earned by Shalem and Anna in the first 10 years. So A is the salary that she is the symbol or the variable which represents the salary she got, the salary that Anna got or earned. So A is for year 1, then A plus 1,000 for year 2, and A plus 2,000 for year 3. Therefore, we are adding 1,000 for every year, so it's still an arithmetic sequence that we're working with. In year 10, Anna will be earning Y1, which is represented by A, plus 10, because the number of years are 10, minus 1, which is the first term, times D. So D is 1,000, and we know that the salary that she will earn the 10th year is the same as Shalem's salary, which is 26,000. Therefore, Anna will be her starting salary will be 17,000 pounds. Now, in order to compare or to find the difference between Shalem and Anna, we need to add one more year for Shalem's earning. So he got, for the summation of year 9, so for all the years that he's been working, for 9 years that he's been working, he got 180,000 pounds. 180,000 pounds. So when you add one more year, it's going to be 26,000, because the question was very clear and it said that he will receive no more raises. So his salary will remain at 26,000 after year 9. So year 10, he will have his salary as 26,000. So add them up, you will get 206,000 pounds. And we already have how much Anna started her salary with. So she started the salary with 17,000. Therefore, you find the sum for her earnings for the 10 years that she earned. She was working using the same formula, which is this one, and you get it from the formula booklet. And the answer is going to be 215,000 pounds. So you subtract the 215,000 minus the 206,000, and this would be 9,000 pounds, the difference between